Hello everybody, it is Rocking Indy, and I have another episode of Minecraft. I'm probably gonna make a little fish shack today. So I can catch a bunch of fish. First I need to find a place to do it. This is in my abandoned village world. Me and my friend built this shed. My friend wasn't ready to do it on camera, so I'm just gonna find a place to build it. Do I have any wood? Oh good, I have lots of wood. I don't need this golden ingot. Gonna try and find a nice place along the river. What? What the heck? Is that a desert village? I think it is. Me and my friend did find a desert village a few days ago, but actually, I don't know if that's the one. We did tons. I accidentally summoned a raid, so I haven't got 19 emeralds. Oh, a desert temple. Wow. Wow. Well, I'm not gonna go in here today. I'll do it in a different episode, but today I'll just try and find a place to fish. I'll do it over here. It's as good as place as any on this little island. I need to go put my horse back. That is gonna be a while away, but probably shouldn't lose my horse. Okay, get out of here. Oh shoot, it's nighttime. I better sleep. My friend made this onto the back. I guess it's kind of helpful, but kind of ruined the back of my kind of stable feel, but it's okay. Oh shoot, I set my respawn point. Creepers, I hate creepers. Okay, where was I gonna go? Oh yeah, over here. Just gonna build maybe a dock or something. Little fishing shack. Oops. Probably make it over here. Just make a tiny little shack thing. Small little. I don't don't really need a huge one. I got some good armor. Chainmail isn't that good though, it's almost broken. These iron boots are nice. I got them in raid. Build this up. Oh shoot, I ran out of wood. Well, guess I'm gonna have to go chop down some trees. Kinda trying to make most of the stuff acacia themed, so I need to go chop down a acacia tree. Oh, my sword and my pickaxe are almost broken. This is like the third or fourth time I've gone through my tools. There's a horse. Okay. Okay, here we go. Tree. Can't reach it. There we go. Come here, sheep. I need your wool. There we go, I just got the wool. I really need some more inventory space. Avoid that because I don't need those spider eyes. My inventory keeps filling up. I've just been building a lot of stuff, I guess. Doesn't seem like I've been fighting that many mobs, but I have. Okay. Go back. I have a mule. Go back to the spot where I'm building. Why are all the doors open? I made like a little table making thing or something. I need something to hop onto. So I need like a dock. Guess I'll go have to get some wood. I guess it doesn't really need to be this high, but whatever. There. There we go. What? Did I throw my wood? Go. Can't lose all my wood. I also need a furnace. A chest and a furnace. Oh, I don't have enough space in my inventory. Do I? Nope, I didn't. I don't. furnace though. Now ooh, I need to block that off. Do I have sand? Good enough. Why does there have to be caves everywhere? Oh shoot. Well, sand all caved in. This is a really unstable cave. There, patched up like it wasn't even there. Oh, there. I'll probably just build a dock later. Let's see. Wait, before I do that, I better clear out my inventory. I better run back to our main base. Okay. Okay. A creeper blew itself up in front of our base. I don't know. Yep, still like that. I'm gonna try and patch it up. I probably won't have enough sand. Oh, that's all my sand. Well, half of the base is exploded. Awesome. Put my gold there. My book and quill. Smithing table. Gray wool. Oh, I keep meaning to cook this iron. I have pork chop. There. Put my pork chop in here. I wonder if we have any apples. Looks like my dog jumped off my bed. My friend's cat fell into the basement. Well, I don't know where my apple went. I think that my friend ate it. Could have made a golden apple. I guess I could just fill it from out here. Oh wow, this chest is almost full. I don't want all this rotten flesh. Doors. 2 doors. 2 sticks. This. I don't need this. I have 2 almost broken iron swords. Enchanted iron shovel that's almost broken. Oops. Saving them in here until I can get something to repair them. Oh, I have trees. My friend normally likes to. Get that tree, make like an orchard. I think that he used all the trees. Stick my string in here. Gunpowder. Books. Oh, yep. Acacia wood slab. Chiseled sandstone. Oh shoot. Better sleep in my bed. Then I'll go catch some fish. Go away, zombie. Go away. Boom. Boom. Now. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. I hate baby zombies. There is a spider hanging from our door. So it'll break pretty soon. Go back to the fishing spot. My friend made a nice bridge. I think that he kind of made it a little too nice. It is super nice. I don't know where he got the style, but it's pretty nice. Go to. I want this. I don't want this. Oops. I want this. I don't want that. Let me go to the fishing spot. Come on. Kinda wish I hadn't built it so far away, but it doesn't exactly need to be too close. I keep wanting to get a trident so I could like just spear fish. Be on land and throw up and spear fish. I haven't gotten one yet. I'll probably show that village in another episode, and I'll also probably what is that desert temple. But right now I will fish. Oh, looks like I got a bite already. Cod. Awesome. Yeah, maybe I could fish a trident out. Wow, this is a really good spot. This is a super good spot. Good cod fishing place. Oh, magic book. Blast protection. Blast protection for silk touch 1. Flame 1. Loot. Quick charge? I don't know what that is. Efficiency. What the heck? This is awesome. Wow. That is awesome. We don't have an anvil yet, so I have to make one. I'll keep this puffer fish for pranks. I think the cats might eat puffer fish. Can't remember. Salmon. This is a pretty good fishing spot. Probably in the episode soon. It's just gonna be probably quick. I want it to be quick because a tropical fish or a clownfish or something. Because I just want to keep it short. Okay. Ouch. Oops. I'll fish until I get one more non-fish item. Guess that's pretty rare, but is that too far out? Okay. I'll probably end the episode here. Okay. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.